Physics chapter 17, question number 5, question numbers 5 and 6. Question number 5, show that the angular velocity of the second hand of a clock is about 0.105 rads per second. So here you have to understand that the second hand refers to the seconds hand, okay, the seconds. So obviously it travels around 360 degrees or 2 pi in 60 seconds, right? In 60 seconds it moves. So then we have to use the equation. What is the equation that we need to use? The equation is this: omega equals delta theta over delta t, right? So let's use it. This is a second hands clock, right? So we have equation omega equals delta theta over delta t, right? Then delta theta is, now it travels through 2 pi, that is 360 degrees in 60 seconds, right? So let's solve this and see the value that we get. So you take the calculator, then 2 pi divided by 60 equals 0.104, that rounds off to 0.105. So that is equal to 0.105, and let's see whether we have that value in our answer, 0.105 rads per second. Did you understand that? Right. Then question number 6. The drum of a washing machine spins at a rate of 1200 revolutions per minute. At a rate of 1200 revolutions per minute, that is one whole circle, 1200 of them per minute. Then how are you going to figure out the number of revolutions per second? So then you divide 1200 by, obviously, 60. You have to divide it by 60. Why do you have to divide it by 60? Because 1200 is how many rotations it has in 1 minute. So to find out per second, you do this, then you get 100, this is 20. It rotates 20 times per second. It revolves 20 times per second. Then determine the angular velocity of the drum. So now it goes through, it rotates 20 times in 1 second. So that means it goes through 320 of 360 degrees, right? So then again they are asking for the angular velocity. The equation is simple. The equation is obviously omega equals delta theta over delta t. Now in this particular occasion, delta theta is 20 into 2 pi. I hope you understood why. Because it travels through, it rotates through 20 times. Right? It goes through the full circles 20 times per second. So 2 pi is one circle, that into 20 divided by delta theta, delta t is 1. So that is 40 pi. If you want to take that as a value, then you use the calculator. 40 into pi equals 125. 125. Hope you understood that. It is 40 pi and angular velocity is 20 into 2 pi divided by 1, that is equal to 125. What are the units? Rads per second. Don't forget the units.